Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about my tidying routine. This is like my go-to routine for never having a huge mess. My house still gets dirty. This isn't about cleaning. This is about keeping a tidy home all the time because it's a routine. First, let's talk about the difference between cleaning and tidying. Cleaning is like the scrubbing, the things where you use products, dishes, washing the bathroom, vacuuming, dusting. Tidying is the thing that's time consuming that you have to do before you clean. It's picking everything up, it's putting things away, and that's the part that you have control over. That big time consuming, messy part, you can eliminate with a routine. I made a printable for you because you know I love the printables with my daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly tidying routine, and I'm gonna put a link down below, but I wanna talk about basically what that looks like and how you can make it effortless, how you can tidy as you go without even realizing you're doing it, and how you can train your family to do the same. The real secret to having a home that never gets messy is routine. It's not having a to-do list. There's a big difference between a to-do list and a routine. Routines are automatic without thinking, like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't put that on a to-do list. It's getting dressed in the morning before you leave the house. You would never put that on a to-do list. You also shouldn't put tidying off your counter or putting your laundry away. That should be automatic for you, but how? How do you make those automatic habits? It's easier than you think. You're ready for it? You set alarms. So I went from being a person who just left everything out all the time to naturally, without even thinking, tidying as I go, putting things away when I'm done with them by setting alarms. Every few hours I had an alarm that would go off that would remind me to take 5 minutes and do a quick tidy. So 5 minutes, gather the papers off the counter and put them in the mail bin. 5 minutes, grab all the stuff I leave on the bathroom counter and actually put it back in the drawers or back in the baskets. 5 minutes before bed to run around and pick up toys or pick up stray things that I have been left out. Over time, I was so used to picking up the brush and putting it in the drawer that I no longer needed the alarm. I was just naturally, when I was done brushing my hair, I'd put it in the drawer. As soon as I would get the mail from the mailbox, instead of putting it on the counter, I would just automatically put it in the basket because those alarms were reminding me to do that. And eventually the alarms would go off and I'd look around and there would be nothing left to tidy. I had trained my brain through auditory alarms to tidy as I went. And I did the same thing for my kids. My kids' rooms never get messy because all throughout the day they had reminders, nagging, 5-minute tidy up time. Now when they're done coloring, they put the coloring back in their drawer. Now when they're done playing with toys, they automatically put them back in the bin. We've trained them like we train puppies, and I've trained myself exactly the same way. I'm gonna put a link to this printable down below, but this is your challenge. I want you to pick some times that you know you're gonna be home throughout the day, every day, set alarms, and challenge yourself just to do this daily box for the next week. I'm excited for you. I'm excited because you no longer have to spend hours tidying your home before you can clean it. This is about freedom. Freedom from a messy home, and it's so much easier than you think. So, give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I thought I'd give you a weight loss update. You guys keep asking. I don't even know what to update you because it's been really slow lately. At first, I said it was slow the whole time, but it really wasn't. So it's been 4 months. A couple of days ago was my 4-month anniversary of gastric bypass surgery. So we bypassed the whole guts area, just they're in there marinating but not doing anything. And I feel really good. I feel pretty good. I've lost 75 pounds. I'm not so good at math. I was 242, 240 at my biggest, and I'm 165. So that's really exciting. I'm wearing a size 12 clothing, even some size 10. Sometimes I fit into medium clothes, like medium. That's like average. I'm real excited about that. So the most exciting thing I think is I don't have to shop at a plus size stores anymore. So I literally can go to the grocery store. My grocery store has clothing and I can like pick up a pair of pants, or why would I want grocery store pants? I don't know, but the point is I could if I wanted to, and that's very exciting. And regular clothes are so much cheaper too. I bought jeans at Blue Notes for $15. Plus size jeans are like $150. So I'm like, oh my God, they're so cheap. Regular clothes are so cheap. So I'm excited. I don't know what style is. I bought this jacket. I feel like Michael Jackson. I thought, oh my God, I could be cool and wear a leather jacket, right? And then I had photos taken. There was a stylist there. She's like, never wear that jacket. It does not look good on you. So I'm actually going to hire her, and we're gonna go shopping together so she can be like, that looks crappy and that doesn't. Honest opinion. So I'm excited about this. So you're gonna see lots of changes coming up. I'm feeling definitely more confident. I'm excited that I can shop at more than just one store, so no more floral shirts for me. And I don't know if I'm gonna lose more or not, but I'm okay if I don't. When I look in the mirror, I'm gonna be completely honest, I see the exact same person though. I don't notice the weight loss until I see a picture, then I'm like, oh, look at that, that's a skin there. That's skin just me. And it's a little shocking. Everybody keeps asking about saggy skin. I was real saggy before, so I have not noticed a difference. Obviously, I noticed a difference in my face. It's a little hangier. I got a little flappiness in the wind in my neck flabber. I've never had a neck. I never will have a neck. My parents have no neck. It's hereditary. It's just a head on top of our shoulders. So that's a whole thing, like a turkey, like glabber, glabber. I'm having a lot of that. It's just hanging. So yeah, I definitely look a little bit older. But I'm hoping the fact that I'm not going to die of heart disease makes up for that. Am I right? Yeah, so overall, it's been a good experience. I'm not saying it's all sunshine and roses. Let's be honest. The one thing that I find scary is, well, there's two things. One is that I'm not sure of my vitamin levels. They really don't test that until 6 months, so I could be deficient in like a buttload of things and I wouldn't even know, so I find that really scary. And the other thing is I find I'm more tired. Everybody keeps saying, you must have so much energy. Nope, Fat Me was the Energizer Bunny, man. I was like, always just, I could do so much more. I get really tired easily now. And I think that's partly I'm not eating very many calories. It's just like, I just had major abdominal surgery. Maybe some of it's in my head. Maybe it's the winter blues and I'm associating it with weight loss surgery. I don't really freaking know. But those are the two things that I guess are the main issues. Fear of that I'm not getting vitamins and fear that I'm never gonna have that Energizer Bunny energy back. Though right now I'm feeling a little energized. So, I mean, you know, but hopefully you understand what I'm saying. But otherwise, it's been pretty cool. Cool? Cool? Is it cool? It isn't cool. It's just, why do you talk so loud? Okay.